Hey everyone, we have the new craft kit already released and available. It's called Sail Away, and as you can see, it's going to be like a little sailboat. I already put my sticker on that it comes with. You can put these elsewhere. And then it comes with 2 die sheets and some stamps. And let's see, it says it's a girl, it's a boy, bon voyage. Hello, adventure awaits, and sail away with me. And then you can see like little ocean life, some rope, and then an anchor. Of course, these will be the main pieces that we're going to be using. It's going to be fairly, I wouldn't say small, but about 5 inches by 2.5 is probably at the widest point. So it's still a decent size. It's not too big that it'll take up your whole counter space. And you can see that there are a lot more little details on here. There's different fish. There is a seagull. We have different little waves if you want to put those on the sides. We have water drops, the actual wheel, and then there's a lot of different pieces that I all kind of like go together. I'll be able to show you the main pieces, and then you'll see which ones are more for decoration. I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side, and then I'll show you how many to cut of each piece. These are for the sides of the sailboat. You'll only need to cut them 1 time each. This is for the back of the boat. And this is the glue tabs that you're going to use for the top and bottom. So you'll only need to cut 2 glue tabs and 1 of the actual back pieces. These are the sails of the boat. They're 2 different sides. You'll cut 2 of each. For this next piece, it's going to be the base of the boat and then also kind of the top. I wanted to show all of these together so I can point out which ones that we're going to be using. Now the most outer piece, we're going to need to cut 3 times. On one of those cuts, we're actually going to make a hole in it. What we're going to do is we're going to go right in the middle. So there's 3 different ones that are all kind of like this rectangular shape. The middle piece is the one that we're going to be using to cut out this piece on here. And if you need help like lining them up, you can grab both pieces and just kind of use it as a guide. Once you get to where you want it to be, you can stick washi tape on the center one. That way when you run it through, it'll stay in the same position that you want it to. And we'll keep that piece that comes out as well, which is this one right here. And then with the same 3, the largest one, we're going to cut 1 piece because this is actually going to be what we use to kind of like open and close it and then put our gifts inside. I'm going to use this so you can see the smaller pieces a lot better. This is going to be the mast. That's what's holding the sails up. We're going to cut this one 4 times, and I use just a darker brown. And then these 2 pieces are going to be like the little support pieces. So we have the cross one, and then we have these 2 little pieces right here. For both of these, you'll cut it 3 times so that you'll get 3 crosses, and then you'll get 6 of these small pieces since they're separate right there. Now with these pieces, you're going to cut these 2 only 1 time, and then with the longer one, you're going to cut it 2 times. These are all our main pieces that we're going to be using for the boat. What we're going to do now is we'll grab the ones with the fold tabs on them and then go ahead and fold them. Now that we have them all folded, we can just put these right here, and let's go ahead and attach these to glue tabs to both. I like to put the long piece right underneath like this, and you'll do it on both sides. Once that's done, let's grab one of these, and then we're gonna start to put these together. So if you can kind of tell, one side is like completely flat and the other one goes up at an angle. That kind of helps so that we know the flat side is all for the bottom. It's gonna go like this. And then the flat side is right here. And we're just gonna glue them all together. We're gonna start from one end to the other, and then, yeah. Should have something that looks like this, and then all the glue tabs at the bottom, and then we're going to grab our back piece and we're going to glue it to the back, and then it has the glue tabs on the sides so we can glue them all together to create the base of the boat. Here is the boat. You can see how it rises up right here. Next, we're going to get our other piece and we're just going to glue it to the bottom to cover up the glue tabs. With this piece, it's going to go right on top, so we can glue that to the top of the boat. This is what it looks like when you put the rest on. So I'm just going to set this over here. I realized that I did this one a little bit too big. It is the piece that I used to cut out, but we also need to cut it just a little bit smaller. That way the side pieces fit perfectly. So I'm going to run this through the die machine one time and then just kind of trim it down. Now that I have trimmed it down, I'll go ahead and add the edges to the middle piece. Almost forgot to mention, on the larger piece that was cut out, we're going to grab this. So this has 3 holes on it. We're going to add it to the center, and it's going to cut out 3 holes that'll help us hold the sail together. And then we'll tape it down where we like it and run it through the die machine. Carefully take it up, and then you'll have the 3 holes. After the 3 holes are cut, we're going to grab all our tiny little pieces, and then on 3 of these, like we're going to make 3 sets of like little pieces that are connected. We're going to glue the top and then leave the bottoms open so that they can open out like this. So we'll do, this will be 1 set, 2, and then 3. Next, we're going to put these inside the holes like this. And we'll glue these back pieces right to the back like this. And that'll just help so it stays up well, like an extra support. And it'll be like this, and we'll do that to the other 2. This is what you should have. We're going to grab our long pieces, and then with these 3, we're going to glue it kind of like the top. 2 and 3, and that's just going to help support the sails onto that piece. And now we can glue these down. So I did make a flag. And our next step, we're going to be adding it on there. I have all 3 right there. I'm going to grab 1 more and just glue it directly on top, and that just covers the middle piece. It makes it a lot more seamless. Now you can add the flag to the back and the top. That's how it should look. This one will go make sure you leave a little piece at the bottom unglued, and then we're going to glue both sides to the middle piece like this. With our other 2 pieces, we're going to fold them in half, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to glue them all together and then glue them on both sides of the remaining. This is what you should have. We'll grab our 4 sail pieces. And you can kind of guess what we're going to be doing next. We're going to grab the opposite ones. Oops, so this one I'll keep on this side and this one. So the straight edge in the middle, and then it goes down at the angle on the side like a triangle. So we'll glue this to these tabs right here and then right there. So the middle will be kind of left alone. That's why the tabs are on the side. this is the sail for the boat. And then we can glue this directly on top of the other piece. Now you don't have to have the two pieces like this. It's only because I made a mistake of adding this on before cutting the holes. But it will make it a lot sturdier, so not really a downside. I'm going to attach this. There is the top piece, our boat, and it goes in just like this. And that is how you make a sailboat. The rest of the pieces are for decoration. You can add them however you like. I will probably turn this off and then decorate it. And that is all I have for you. Hopefully this helped you with creating your own sailboat. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting. Bye.